Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Crochet with Zara and welcome to the episode 3 of How to Crochet for Absolute Beginners. Today I am going to show you how to crochet a single crochet stitch. I have already described you in my previous video how to tie a slip knot and a foundation chain. So if you haven't watched those videos, then I recommend you pausing here and go and watch my those videos so you can easily understand how to tie a slip knot and a foundation chain. So let's get started by making a slip knot. Insert the hook into the loop, tighten the knot. Now let's make a chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. I'm just teaching you how to crochet a single crochet stitch. So I'm just making 20 chains. If you want to decrease to 10, you can go ahead. Now my 20th chain is my turning chain. So insert the hook into the, this is my first chain and this is my second chain from the hook. So this is my turning chain and I am going to insert the hook into the second chain from the hook. So grab your hook, insert the hook into the second chain from the hook. You can see this is my working yarn. Pull this yarn, or I am going to yarn over to my hook and I am going to pull this yarn from this chain. So you can see I have 2 loops on my hook, 1 and 2. Now again yarn over and pull through these 2 loops. This stitch is my single crochet stitch. Again without yarning over. There is no yarn over my hook. Insert the hook into the next chain and pull this yarn through the chain. You have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through these 2 loops. Now again insert the hook into the next chain. Pull up the loop. Yarn over. Pull through these 2 loops. Insert the hook into the chain, pull up the loop. You have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through these 2 loops. Now you can see over single crochet stitch. Insert the hook into the chain, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert the hook into the chain, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Insert the hook into the chain, pull up the loop. You have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2. Insert the hook into the chain, pull up the loop, yarn over and pull through 2. Insert the hook into the chain. You have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through. Now keep going by working single crochets until you reach the end of the chain. Now you can see I have only one chain left. Insert the hook into the chain, pull up the loop. You have two loops, yarn over, pull through two. Now a row of single crochet is created. Now our next step is chain one. Always chain one before you turn your work. Now, if you remember, we have crocheted 20 chains and we just crochet from the second chain from the hook. So technically we have total of 19 single crochets if we count from here. Now chain one and turn your work. Always chain one. Always. Just remember this. If you will not make chain one, our stitch will going to be decreased from both the sides if we will not chain one. Now, you can see these two loops. This is my single crochet stitch. So I have to work into the full stitch, insert the hook into the full stitch. You can easily see from the top these two loops. Now pull up the loop. You have two loops, yarn over and pull through two. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over and pull through two. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over and pull through two. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over and pull through two. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up the loop, yarn over and pull through two. Now in the same way, work single crochet until you reach the end. Just crochet along with me so you can easily follow steps. Now you can see I have reached the other end. Now chain one and turn your work. Now repeat the same stitch pattern. So that's it. I have total of crocheted 1 2 3 4 5 rows. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, then Subscribe my channel to follow more crochet tutorials and patterns and other crochet full projects of cardigans and baby sweaters. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take great care of yourself. Bye bye.